guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to log into your X account or Twitter account. Let's begin. Open your X app, then this page will come across. Then at the bottom you can see have an account already. Click on login. I will type my username. You can also type your phone number, email address. Then tap on next after entering all of it. I have copied my password, so I'll enter it. After entering your password, then tap on login. There you go, you have successfully logged into your Twitter account on your phone. Upcoming next, you can see how to log in your X account on desktop. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.